Ingutu ziri kugambwaho kandi zaramburwa umuhezi wa kariisho-riisho ziri mu Stanley Road, Garto Road na Major Victor Bwana. Izi kampuni ya Multiplex iri mu nekoro mu rurembo rwa Mbarara kandi ziremerwe kuhwa cashangwa ngo hariho butikiriza ntabwo nshonga zitari zimwe na zimwe hagati y'abakozi ba Multiplex hamwe n'abasitekansa babahira impatane.
We have this one, we have 1, 2, and then Galt we have 1 and 2, then also Major Victor Bwana at the end.
Okay. So there are 3?
Yes. No, they are not 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 major junctions.
Yes.
Where we need details of the junctions.
What happens is the contractor comes with his equipment, with his workers, they reach a junction, you excavate, test, then you start building until you reach that level. Then you tie.
We shall not accept government money to be used the way people want. Not at all.
So
we are here on behalf of government.
We need you to strengthen your supervisory approach.
I can assure you we have done.
Atorembo rwa Mbarara rworekerire kuferwa biliyoni ziri kurenga 10 aha kubobwire bwa project ege n'ubuhayo mu kwezi kwa 12 mwaka ogu aho sente ziragaruka mu World Bank.
I'm going to arrest people. I'm going to arrest people and you're going to sleep in Luzira.
There you will be comfortable. But coming here, there you will be comfortable.
Come here and start giving me technicalities.
Yeah.
Like as a lawyer, I come with legalese. You don't see action.
That is the problem where we are treated.
That's what we have been facing.
No, we are not going to
we have been facing that one.
We are going to discuss.
For us,
we are
we
going
want
to highlight the problems. We are going to put action points and deadlines.
Aba babuganira no mu rukiko mu Sitekanso Hall bari kugezaho gutema impendo kureba ngo umurimo gwakorwa mu bwire kandi nabwo barimo kwikirizana aho IGG yaragire mbajo zombi okwatanisa bakareba ngo ingutu zakorwa myeze 2 kandi bari mwana bakukwatwa.
I went into and said no to bring harmony. These are technical people. We need them. We want this work to continue. We want service delivery.
Mbarara, Kabare and what and Tunga. That may delay and kill the program. You see, of the government of the Republic of Uganda, because World Bank measures that.
Kindwira hankora. Tituchaenda kukwata abantu kugira ngo tukwata abantu tubateko mu chome. Akwantu jana tubato mu chome bahikayo bahoza barugayo kandi nabwe tufebo. Bitu hate nkore yitutireho neco kugira ngo turebe empereza y'abantu twabahereza. Orugudo kureremere kuhwa gwahwa hati nico turiho.
So nani expecting IGG ukwata abarimbi gukora imirimo ya abarimbi gukorisa sente za gavumenti abahire contract na harimo bita ba council nabarire sente zicu tugakwereza company fee no babakwati instead IGG yanagumana na saru protectinga contractor ngo agumize munakora bamuhereze sente agumize munayiba sente eventually ugumushata kwiza kubasa gukora imirimo.
Contract y'ingute zone zino buringo bwa kilometero 2 ekabayo kare nango yahikana hakongezebwa imirundi 3 konke nguto zikiremere kwa kandi zikaba zirigezo kumaraho biliyoni 23 ahabwa TV West nda Aidan Bataringaya.